I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside Instagram because granular control lives there. Open your profile, tap the menu, then Settings, Notifications. Once there, scan categories like Posts, Stories, Messages, and Live. Turn off push types you don't want or use pause all for a short break. This stops app-level sounds and banners without touching your device's global focus. Make changes now so you control which interactions still notify you and why. Reduce interruptions while keeping priority alerts intact. Once done with in-app tweaks, switch to your device's Do Not Disturb or Focus settings to enforce silence system-wide. Add Instagram to blocked apps if you want absolute quiet, or leave it out of the allowed list so messages stay silent. Schedule focus for bedtime or meetings so it activates automatically. This layer ensures notifications won't appear as banners or sounds, and it complements Instagram's internal controls, so you can be unreachable when you need to be, reliably. Finish by testing. Ask a friend to send a message or use another account to verify silence. If you still get notifications, make sure Instagram's app permissions are set correctly in your phone settings. Sometimes clearing cache or reinstalling the app fixes stuck preferences. Restart your device after changes to ensure settings apply. If problems continue, check for OS updates. Older system bugs can override app and focus rules. This troubleshooting step usually resolves persistent notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.